Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get my AI on Snapchat. My AI is a chatbot currently available to Snapchatters. In a chat conversation, my AI can answer a burning trivia question, offer advice on the perfect gift for your BFF's birthday, help plan a hiking trip for a long weekend, or suggest what to make for dinner. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, you need to make sure is your Snapchat app updated. If is not, go on Play Store or App Store and update app. Next, open a Snapchat app on your device. And then go to your profile by tapping on your avatar in top left corner of the screen. And now tap on Snapchat Plus, and you need to buy a Snapchat Plus for using a premium version for AI. You can buy for month and they cost $4, and you can buy for year and they cost $40. But you don't have to buy a Snapchat Plus. You can use my AI for free. Just go on Chats, and you can see my AI on top of Chats, and you can tap on it to go on chat with my AI, and that is it. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.